Oh, how are you doing? I'm honking my horn. Horn.
Don't do that. Wait a minute. What's your name again? What's your name again?
I'm not telling you.
What's your name?
I'm not telling you.
I'll fight you.
Fine. My name is Dar.
What the heck is that name?
Dar means almost like darn, but my real name is actually Darn instead of Dar. Dar's just my nickname.
What's your actual name?
Darny. Like darn it and Barney.
Only you're right, Matt.
I'm singing my song. I'm dancing all alone. Go. Oh, I'm gonna smack you in the face. And wee! I'm gonna fly to space and you can't catch me. Wee! Cut. Hi guys, if you enjoyed that puppet video, that was pretty funny.
Yeah, I'm gonna get mine right now.